So the next subphase is the stakeholder involvement phase. So on the left here you see the project setup and organization. I just went through all that stuff. That's getting the projects organized, the roadmap, the schedule. Now the rest of these things is getting the people ready, data ready, and place ready for the charrette. So let's look at the stakeholder involvement, which includes outreach and engagement, secondary stakeholder analysis, and educational events. This diagram shows an example of the variety of viewpoints that are necessary to include in the charrette to make a drawing like that in the center turn into something that gets built. Here are, for instance, on the top you have the fire chief, you have urban designers, you've got elected officials, business owners, neighbors, all kinds of people who need to be involved in the project. In the upcoming modules, we'll talk in depth about how to ensure that you have representative sampling of the community during the charrette, especially those who are historically left out of the process. Here's this diagram again showing the 3 circles of involvement. So in stakeholder outreach, you're making sure that all people in all 3 levels of the project are involved at key decision-making points. I'm going to point out that usually there are educational events that happen before the charrette. The charrette is not the only time that you engage the public. You're going to engage the public and stakeholders in lots of different venues, such as lectures, workshops, neighborhood walks, or preference surveys. The key to this is to lower the learning curve for the participants throughout the charrette.